Dear students, as you asked me some difficult problems of matrices, so today what I am doing, I am just trying to solve these questions and hope you will understand the topic very well. If you have any queries, if you are not understanding that may be possible, then definitely you can call me or message me. I will clear all the doubts. So here the question is in a form of a is equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0. And here what we need to do, we have to prove that, what we have to prove, I plus a equivalent to I minus a into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So here we must understand the question first. In question a is mentioned, in a right hand side, left hand side, we have to show these two are equal. In a right hand side part, one complex structure is there, and here cos alpha and sin alpha is mentioned. In a left hand side, it is in a form of alpha by 2. So what we need to do, we will convert it in a form of alpha by 2 only. First, before solving the question, you just write right hand side here, and we have to write formula of cos alpha. Cos alpha equivalent to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. I taught you this in a class 11, so you might remember it. Sin alpha is equal to 2 tan alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Here it is clear now. So what you do, you will write the value here in a right hand side. I minus a in one bracket, another bracket cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha, and last one is cos alpha. Now instead of cos alpha, you will put this value, and definitely it will be very complex structure. So making it some simpler way, so what we do, we will write tan alpha by 2 as a x here. So this will be easy. Let we have considered tan alpha by 2 is equal to x. So here what we write, instead of I, we will write 1 0 0 1 and minus a. In a, this value is here 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0. And instead of cos alpha, what you write, 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, and here sin alpha place you will write cos 2x upon 1 plus x square. Here again we will write 2x upon 1 plus x square instead of sin alpha, and cos alpha we will write 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Dear students, this is very small board. So please just pause the video and just write down the things in your copy. Okay, I will rub this topic, otherwise it will be not very difficult to teach. So just we will write this. First 1 minus 0 will be 1 only. 0 minus tan alpha by 2 become minus tan alpha by 2. This can also written like x. So need not to worry about it. You have to write this x. One step you have to write this x only. So this will be very easy to understand. This will be x only. Good. So here this minus and minus become plus, and this 1 minus 0 becomes 1 only. This is one set of matrix, and second one is, again we have to write 1 minus x square 1 plus x square minus 2x upon 1 plus x square, and 1 minus x square 2x upon 1 plus x square, and this one is the same. Just now you have to know how to multiply it. Multiplication I teach you. How we will go for multiply? First term multiply with this, means 1 will multiply with 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Next plus x will be multiplied with 2x upon 1 plus x square. As I told you earlier, first row multiply with first column. It means first element of first column will be multiplied, and second element of row will multiply with the second element of the column. Next, 1 multiply with minus 2x upon 1 plus x square. Then x multiply with 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Here minus x multiply with 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Now this 1 will be multiply with 2x upon 1 plus x square. First row multiply with first column, then first row multiply with second column. So first element of second column, sorry. Minus x will be multiplied with minus 2x upon 1 plus x square. Then 1 will be multiplied with 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So now you have to solve very carefully. 1 plus x square plus 2x upon 1 plus x square. Here minus 2x upon 1 plus x square plus x minus x cube upon 1 plus x square, and this one will become minus x plus x cube upon 1 plus x square. This is 2x upon 1 plus x square. Next one is 2x square plus positive, it will become positive upon 1 plus x square, and then 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. I think this is a simple multiplication. Next step, what we do, we have to write this 1 minus x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. In the second step, this will become minus 2x plus x minus x cube upon 1 plus x square. Here in a third step, it will become minus x plus x cube plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square, and next one is 2x plus 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. I think you need to be focused. Just have a look what we have done. What we have done. I think we have missed something. That is this is x into x becomes x square. You have to understand. So this is I think just left this. This is 1 only. It is not 2. I think it is clear now. So now what will be our next step? Definitely we have to think again and solve the question. So this is a 1 or more. This is 2x square. So what we do now? We will simplify it. Go for simplification. This will become 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Here this will become x cube plus 2 x upon 1 plus x square. Now this will become minus x cube divided by 1 plus x square. Next this one become x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. I think it is clear now. What you do in the next step, these two will be cancelled out. This will become 1. These two also cancel. This will become 1. Now here what you take, x will be common, so this will become 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square, and here x will be common out, x square plus 1, this will be 1 plus x square. Now these two will be cancelled. Now it will become 1. This is minus x, this is x, and this one is plus 1. So this is our right hand part. Here what we need to find, we have to find left hand part also. Left hand part is in the form of I plus a. Here instead of I you will write 1001, or in place of a you will write, that is in a form of, what the question is, the question is in a form of 0 minus tan alpha by 2 in the sense x, then x, and this one is 0. Now what we do, we will add these values, 1 plus 0, 0 minus x, 0 plus x, and this is 1 plus 0. So this is becomes 1 minus x, x and 1. I just verified left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes, left hand side is equal to right hand side. This means this question has 4. Thank you for watching this video. Next video I will teach some more difficult problems related to matrices. Have a look.